everyone, this is your Manong Joe, your Kuya Joe of Garden with Sana, and I welcome you once again to my channel. As you can see here, marami akong nag-diebak. Ayun o. Sad to say, it's a 2 to 10, 20% ang casualty ko for the month of March. Ang daming namatay. Siguro sa continuous na pag-ulan, summer na nga, maulan pa rin dito sa Isabela. That's one factor. Yes, that's one factor. Then may time na malamig masyado, super lamig. Wala namang problema dito kasi hindi sila nauulan na, kaya lang yung lamig talaga ng panahon. Pero at least thank you Lord kasi marami makaka-serve. So yan lang. Thank you so much. Bye.